This is Diamond City Estate, located at GRA Enugu. Now, Diamond City Estate is one of the most expensive estates right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. And it is one of the estates where the elites live. Now, watch this video to the end. So we are right here at Diamond City Estate. Yes, Diamond City Estate is one of the fastest developing estates, or one of the most expensive estates right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So I have a very quick one for my investors. Now, right beside me is 450 square meter plot of land right here at Diamond City Estate, and it's going for 60 million naira. Yes, as you can see, it's a very big plot. It's a very spacious plot. I'm right inside the plot now. Yeah, right inside the plot. The other plot over there, it's 600 square meters, right? While the one over here is 450 square meters. Now, Diamond Estate was developed by Enugu State Housing Development Corporation, of which a plot of 500 square meters is currently selling for 90 million naira right here at Diamond City Estate. Now we have the one for 1,000 square meters, which they are selling for 200 million naira. So Diamond City Estate is one of the most expensive estates of high demand in Enugu, Nigeria. Now this particular estate is all gated with 24/7 security. It has a tarred road, and this particular estate, when you buy from it, they give you a housing allocation paper, and then since you are buying from the original owner that bought from housing, so they will give you a housing allocation paper, a deed of assignment. You have to prepare a deed of assignment showing the transfer of interest from the main owner to you, right? And then you would have a power of attorney also, and then if you can process your survey plan. So I would want, if you are looking at building a home, to building a place where you will live, where you would enjoy yourself, then this particular plot is for you. You can build a bungalow here, you can build a block of flats here, you can also build a duplex here. So all you have to do today is to call me with the number on the screen. Call Josh Consults, so I can bring you to this particular property for purchase. Thank you. Now this is the neighborhood close to the particular land. So as you can see, a lot of people are building up structures here and it's not far from the gate, right? From the major entrance gate. Now you see houses all around. See houses, well-tarred road. Now this is where the land started from. Where the land started from, right? Went down that way. So I'll show you where it ended after the street lights over there. That's where it ended. So this is a very good neighborhood where you can build a house you live with your kids, or you can build for investment purpose, so you can get easy cash flows. You can use it for renters. You can also use it for some other commercial business, right? So call us today. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as to get information when I drop them. So until I come your way again, this is Josh Consults, and will bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. Thank you.